Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you a very special presentation or unboxing courtesy of Mattel Creations, Hot Wheels, and Mercedes-Benz, Moncler, and the artist NIGO. So I wanted to present to you the special, I guess essentially white box. If you're already seeing the header for this video, you saw that it is a collaboration piece, but this is how it arrived to me just last week. White box with HW, assuming that means Hot Wheels in the corner. I have no idea what it was, but I had opened it, obviously to shoot the video, the content for this article that is currently live on OrangeTruckDiecast.com. But it arrived in this white box. The tissue paper was a little nicelier presented, but just to give you an idea, there was some yellow tissue paper here. And a nice rigid box with a gold foil stamp. So, not knowing what this was, my interest was certainly piqued, and I knew it was some sort of collaboration, just because this is Mattel Creations, obviously, and we see the Mercedes logo and the Moncler logo. So, rigid box, flip it open. Inside, we have a note. We'll zoom in on this note. And it says, in preparation for the full reveal of this year's Mercedes-Benz Project G-Class, Past to Future, please enjoy this playful gift from Mattel Creations. We collaborated with Mercedes-Benz, Moncler, and NIGO to create this bespoke Hot Wheels tribute. It's a miniature token, literally, of our appreciation of your fandom, as well as a sneak peek of the NIGO-designed art piece. To celebrate the partnership between Mercedes-Benz, Moncler, and NIGO for Moncler Genius, the skilled artisans at Mattel Creations meticulously crafted every prototype in this extremely limited series capture the essence and exquisite design detail of this vehicle in miniature. We encourage you to create content with this Hot Wheels prototype replica of the Mercedes-Benz Project G-Class Past to Future. And please tag Mattel Creations, Hot Wheels Official, Mercedes-Benz, Moncler, and NIGO on Instagram so that we can see your love for this product. So and then there's some details about caring for your prototype, because this is not a standard die-cast vehicle. No, it is a 3D printed prototype produced, I assume, in El Segundo at the Design Center by the very, very talented Hot Wheels model shop team, who have been designing prototypes for a long time. So let me just get this out of the case here. A couple layers of cut foam. Pull away one layer, 2 layers, peel it away, and there we go. We have the piece. So let's just get the case here. We'll stack it right on top, and you can see the very first, I guess you could say, or one of the very first versions of this prototype, or this future collab. I did reach out to Mattel. Very little details were provided, assuming that this is still in the development stage, that the casting probably hasn't even been cast yet. And since this is a 3D printed prototype, there are probably no final details like sale date or price point or anything like that. But they wanted to get these in the hands of a few people that do Hot Wheels content and show them off. And kind of in coordination with the event that was just this past week in Shanghai in the City of Genius by Moncler and NIGO. Mercedes-Benz was there along with certain celebrities. So this is your... I guess first things first, let's note that since this is a 3D prototype printed on, I assume, out of resin, you'll see that there is no legal on the base. No Hot Wheels logo, no legal. You'll see screws actually hold the whole thing together, and it's extremely light. There is no die cast in here, just that 3D resin, so it is way lighter than your typical standard Hot Wheels vehicle. But as I said before, this is produced in part by the very talented model shop team in El Segundo, or assumingly so. So they have hand painted what was probably one color of resin. I'm just kind of showing you different angles here. And you got the top here. We'll get into that in a minute. But you got, you know, a green front, just like the actual car that was showed off at the event. You have the gray on the sides. You even have decals that were made. If we get in close, there we go. You can see that the Moncler Mercedes collaboration logo is on the back, along with the name of the vehicle, Past to Future. And we even have one on the front as well. So, if you've read the article on OrangeStrikeDiecast.com already, you'll know these facts, but I'll kind of go into them here since we are doing a little unboxing video as well. This is a brand new casting by Hot Wheels, or assumingly so. It may look a lot like the 1991 Mercedes-Benz G-Class, which the actual car is kind of modeled after a 90s G-Wagon. But silhouette aside, these cars are not the same at all. So you can see, and same with the Hot Wheels casting, you'll see that these are actually different castings. So, very different, though they look very similar. You'll obviously see, first things first, you'll see the top, which is obviously different, the quilted pattern, and you know, if you've been aware of Moncler and what they are, they're kind of like an outerwear company. One of their signature items is a puffer style jacket, hence the design of the puffer roof, I guess you could call it. You'll know that NIGO, the art director slash designer, who actually was one of the co-founders or founder of BAPE, right? Bathing Ape. He, on the actual car, he has like a plaid pattern throughout it, and you can see it in this video, which I was not able to capture in my photos on OrangeStrikeDiecast.com, but you can see the actual seats in there have a plaid pattern. And I didn't want to take off the roof. I'm not sure if it comes off or not, so I did not want to pull that apart. But hopefully on the actual vehicle, you can pull that roof off, and you can see the benches in the back, which will be sitting in the back here. So there is your comparison with the 1991 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. This was actually from a former collab in Period Correct, which was a great collab. There's 5 of those altogether. But yeah, just very similar style silhouette. You can see, I mean, obviously with, you know, the take, this, you know, the whole idea behind the Past to Future is that they took an old silhouette and they kind of modernized it. So they took this old silhouette and they've added, you know, they got the fender flares, you got the Moncler look to the roof there. You have kind of a more of an overlander style to the back with the lights and the gas canister and the tire cover. Fender flares are obviously they flare a lot more on this casting. So, and then there's actually in the real car, there's obviously a huge amount of tech on the inside of it as well. I don't know if there is. Can we capture any of it? Not too much, but it's not too bad there. So, very nice collaboration. Obviously, a lot of speculation here, just because the facts aren't readily available. But you'll obviously want to keep your eyes out for this one to hit on Mattel Creations. Speaking of Mattel Creations, there was just earlier this year we had Mercedes, the G63, right? In Spectre Flame Blue. So I believe we'll be seeing that one probably pretty soon again. But yeah, if you are a G-Wagon collector, things are looking good for you. So that's it. Just wanted to share this awesome prototype. Make sure you check out OrangeStrikeDiecast.com for the full article, pictures, everything of this awesome vehicle. And thank you, Mattel Creations, for recognizing the fandom here on OrangeStrikeDiecast.com and OTD YouTube channel. And much luck in the success of this product. Hopefully collectors like it. You'll have to let us know what you think in the comments below. Let's talk. Let's see You know, who knows? Maybe this is still, since this still maybe is in a development stage, maybe Mattel wants to hear your feedback. So I encourage you to leave your feedback in the comments below and let me know what you think. Aside from that, we are going to put these back into the Mercedes wall. So let's get these put away. Put that one back in there. Put this one back in there. And the prototype in its new spot right there. Quite a collection from Mercedes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.